Hi guys, VST here, NFP Tech. Thank you for watching this. In this video I'm going to address the Exynos2200 controversy. So I'm sharing the screen already guys. I'm gonna show you a few things and I'm gonna tell you why it's important and why right now I tend to feel a bit more disappointed. Not that something really came across, we need to still wait until the 8th, but the recent developments really are making me feel sad. And I'm gonna tell you why. So when we talk about the Exynos 2200, we always have AMD in our minds, and that's the RDNA2, and of course it's ray tracing. It sounds really exciting, and this is something that Samsung was hyping us even pre the S21 series, so it's like more than 1 year. We have been waiting for Samsung to catch up with Exynos, catch up to the speed of, let's say, Qualcomm chips. I don't want to mention Apple because it seems nobody is actually even close to what they're doing with their chipsets. And now this year is going to be even tougher because we have the new MediaTek chip. But the last year, guys, was not a great year for Qualcomm Snapdragon. The 888 Snapdragon I had, it was not so good. It tend to overheat. Qualcomm, of course, they blame it on the vendors that, the vendors are pushing them to go to get to, some high peak performance. The vendors themselves were doing the fine tunings and thermals. And now this 8.1 Gen is also not quite good. Now, why did I start a video with Exynos 2200 controversy? Because there are some recent developments that I think are quite upsetting. And let me just show you what happened. So there was something on the 30th of December last year. Samsung Exynos account posted some information on the Twitter account. And in fact, they posted a tweet: playtime is over, the gaming marketplace is about to get serious. Because remember, it's AMD, remember, it's also ray tracing. Stay tuned for the next Exynos with the new GPU born from RDNA2. It was set for January 11th this year, and they put a pic there. And this was posted by Samsung Exynos. Right? When you go right now on their Twitter account, yeah, the tweet is deleted. But Samsung Exynos is not a random Twitter account, right? It is a confirmed Samsung account. It's verified, and it's a bit upsetting, right? This now is deleted there. It didn't really happen. Now, something like this happened also last year, where Samsung apparently announced the Exynos2100 just days before S21. But what got me a bit worried is that there are some leaksters from Twitter posting it's over, officially good news for Samsung fans, satisfying users, and after a state of anger on Exynos, and the Exynos 2200 copies were cancelled, so that the S21 Ultra will only come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 all over the world. Then there are some other information here by this guy, Do-Hyun Kim. To sum it up what I've heard, every Galaxy S22 series model in every region will get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Exynos 2000 is delayed, and because it's delayed, it might be used for other phones, like, Galaxy Z Fold. And there were also some other things that are a bit upsetting, even coming from some, high-profile names like the Ice Universe. And I want to address this. He was saying, blah, 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 European Samsung users will be too excited to sleep tonight. Now I want to address this, guys, by telling, hey, I don't want to get the latest Snapdragon. I want to get what has been promised to us by Samsung more than 1 year ago. I want to get the Samsung AMD collaboration, get my hands on the RDNA2, and make sure I have RDX, and that I have really a great SoC, because the Samsung S22 Ultra is going to be more expensive based on all the other leaks. Samsung luck is very bad. Your Ice Universe is saying just after cancelling the self-developed CPU architecture, it encountered a possibly worse ARM X1 architecture. X2 is still very bad, therefore it said that Qualcomm will replace ARM with self-developed CPU architecture as soon as possible. We now have something set for the 8th of February, where Samsung is going to announce apparently the S22 series. Okay, and if we go there and see, Samsung to announce the Galaxy S22 series on the 8th of February. Okay. We already know what to expect. We also know it's coming in February. The exact date is mystery. And by the way, there were also some interviews there, or some confirmation from Samsung officials on GSM Arena. They said everything is fine with the Exynos 2200. It's still gonna be launched. But all these tweets and leaks, call them whatever you want, are a bit upsetting, given also with the fact that Samsung themselves decided to, postpone the Exynos2200 presentation. It all feels a bit concerning, guys. It's really concerning. We also have this article here on GSM Arena. The Exynos2200 was supposed to be unveiled yesterday, didn't happen. And of course, what do you expect? You promised, you said, you hyped the guys. You tell them, hey, on the 12th of January, we're gonna do this big ass event. You don't do it. You delete your tweet. Of course, rumors are going to circulate. People are going to scratch their head. And guys, don't get me wrong. I had several Snapdragon Samsung devices. Even right now in my house, I have the S9, the Japanese version with the Snapdragon. I had the Note 9 with the Snapdragon. I had the S20 with the Snapdragon. It's not bad. Okay, and one of the perks to come with the Snapdragon is, it's Qualcomm. They were always better than the Samsung Exynos in-house chips. Also, you get Google Camera if you're a fan. But now with the latest sensors in the S22 Ultra, Google Camera works out of the box with Exynos. So Samsung are supporting the Camera 2 API. Okay, but all right, Samsung officials reached out to Business Korea to clarify the reason behind the change of plans. Everything is fine. There are no production or performance issues. Instead, the launch was rescheduled to coincide with that of the S21 series, which makes sense. I am hyped right now to get the Exynos2200 with AMD's RDNA architecture. It's going to be one of the first phones to hardware support ray tracing. I want to get it there. Okay. And AMD brings RDNA graphics to Exynos. And you've seen this is from last year, from the summer. We have been hyped almost probably in more than 1 year. Before the pre-S21 series, we were hyped before S21 series was released. So we want to have this AMD RDNA2 custom graphics. It will enable ray tracing, variable ray shading on Exynos chipsets. It sounds all great. Now, implementation and reality, guys, are two different things. Okay, we still have to go not more than, probably less than 1 month actually, to see what will happen on the 8th of February. But I really hope to not be disappointed. Okay, see here, guys, that's a very big promise. Samsung Exynos2200 with AMD graphics is slated to rival Apple's M1 chipset. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe, you and your families, guys. VST, over and bye.